today we are making Heath Cookies. For this we have some Heath chips. We have a 16 ounce bag right here. They're made by Nestle. You could also just take a Heath bar and, you know, break it up. We got, as long as you have 16 ounces of Heath bits. We have some brown sugar, we have some vanilla, we have some butter we have let soften. We have some salt. We have 2 eggs, we have some baking soda, flour, and sugar. Before we get to cooking this, we're on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new video every week, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we have a mixing bowl here. We already have cracked our 2 eggs in it. We're going to add our stick of softened butter. We are going to drop in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we're just going to go ahead and cream all this together. And to this we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of our granulated sugar. Go ahead and get that mixed in. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of our brown sugar. Now we just want to go ahead and get that mixed in. Now we're just going to take a pinch of salt. We have a teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're just going to give that a quick mix. Now we need 2 1/4 cups of flour. Now if your dough is too dry, you can add a little bit more butter, or you can add more vanilla extract. And if it's too wet, go ahead and add just a little more flour. Alright, now we got that where we want it to be. We're going to take our Heath candy, whether you're using the pre-made, broke it up stuff, or you broke your own stuff up. We're going to add that in. And now you want to fold this by hand. Anytime you're dealing with candy and a dough or a batter, always mix in your candy last and always fold it in by hand. Now we just got to form some cookies on a cookie sheet. So we have a pre-greased cookie sheet here. Now I'm going to make some jumbo cookies because I have a jumbo cookie scoop. And now once our cookies are on our cookie sheet, we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to go ahead, throw this in there for about 9 to 12 minutes until they are done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Hey y'all! We also let these cool a little bit before we put them on a cooling rack and let them cool before we move them to a plate. But we have a nice stack of our Heath cookies right here. Now if you enjoy this recipe and want to see more like it, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see anything cooked on this channel, go ahead and leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.